In today's video, we'll be riding the high-speed train, the Frecciarossa, from Venice to Rome, and then spending the afternoon wandering through Rome and seeing many of its highlights. We had 3 marvellous days in Venice and then set off to Rome. We caught the 9:26 Frecciarossa, which means Red Arrow, train from Santa Lucia Station in Venice to Rome. The tickets are around about 78 euros each, and the total cost was about 238 Australian dollars for a 4-hour journey, which is around about 512 kilometres. The train is capable of going over 300 kilometres an hour, so it is a high-speed train, but it did stop at a few places, including Padova and Florence. We sat in second class, hence the slightly lower cost of the tickets. It was quite busy, and we definitely needed to book the train well in advance. It was pretty packed when we got on. The seats were quite comfortable. I'd say they were equivalent to maybe a premium economy type seat on an airplane.
We are pleased to welcome you on board the Frecciarossa 9411. The train will arrive in train carrier.
There's food and beverage services that go by in a trolley that you're able to buy things from. And all in all, a pretty comfortable trip. Slightly noisy with a few crying kids around us, but headphones soon took care of that. It was actually quite an enjoyable journey, and it was good to be able to see some of the Italian countryside flash by at speeds of up to 300 and something kilometres per hour.
Arriving in Castel Sant'Angelo. Thank you for travelling with Trevi Fountain.
We arrived at Rome's Termini Station at around about 1:30 p.m. It was quite hot and crowded. Being in Melbourne for many days and months of lockdown, we certainly weren't used to seeing that many people in a public space. But we braved the crowds and made our way to our hotel.
Attenzione, treno in arrivo al binario di Top.
What's going on? We arrived at Rome's Termini Station at a little after 1:30 p.m. We made our 15-minute journey to the hotel, freshened up, and the very first thing we did was have a gelati, a gluten-free gelati, and I can tell you it was very nice and quite refreshing on such a hot summer's day.
Grazie. Bye bye.
Ciao.
We'd walked our way through the streets of Rome and had a very good time despite the extreme heat. It's probably about 40 degrees mid-afternoon at this stage. We made our way to the Castle of Sant'Angelo, and of course, being a Monday, the bloody thing was closed. So on this trip I was determined to go see the castle. I've been to Rome many times and I've never actually gone inside. So I was able to book some time and go visit it later on in our current trip to Rome. Quite annoying, and it's a handy tip to know that if you want to see some of these famous attractions, jump online and just see when their opening hours are and what days they're closed. It certainly could avoid disappointments. Due to the heat, we decided to catch the subway back to our hotel. And it was on the escalators that someone attempted to pickpocket me. I saw something out of the corner of my eye and realised it was the person behind me's hand reaching for my wallet that happened to be in the front pocket of my pants. I clearly caught him out and he proceeded to run away. So just be wary of travelling on the subway. Don't have anything on your person, and just make sure that you've got an eye open at all times. So we're approaching the end of our European Odyssey. Rome is our last destination. We'll be posting a couple more videos of our trip and sights around Rome in the coming weeks. I do hope you've liked this video. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And until next time, take care and bye.